Ako po si Police Lieutenant Colonel Jude Chris Jimelan, currently designated as Chief of Police Community Affairs and Development Unit ng Agusan del Sur Police Provincial Office. Personally, through this swim, makikita natin na nag-i-improve talaga. If you can compare yourself previously through self-introspections, yung pagkilala natin sa Puong May Kapal, yung the Supreme Being, we do not much value His presence previously, nung hindi pa tayo ganun ka-mature sa pag-iisip. Pero ngayon na dito na tayo sa organizations with the help of this swim, mas lalong naiintindihan, mas lalong nai-internalize at mas lalong na-appreciate natin yung presence ng Panginoon dito sa ating buhay. In terms of family, that is one of my ambitions or one of my aspirations and one of my prayers na for us to be a family is kailangan kumpleto, may asawa, saka may anak. So as of now, hindi pa po kami binayaan ng ating Panginoon ng anak. But this does not stop me to pray and to hope. I believe so that God will provide at in the due time, in the right time, the impact sa aming family na naintindihan din yan ng aking asawa na meron talagang mga plano na hindi lamang para sa amin, kundi may higit pa na plano ang ibibigay ng ating Panginoon. As a leader, kailangan po natin ng gabay, especially so na dapat yung interventions natin is naaayon sa ating batas, naaayon sa ating mga polisiya sa organization. With this internal cleansing program, guided po ang ating mga kapulisan, atong mga liderato sa Philippine National Police kung ano yung dapat na i-implement sa mga pasaway na personnel. So, as a leader, malaki yung responsibilidad natin and also ito yung accountability natin sa ating mga kasamahan na magiging role model sa kanila, especially so sa pag-implement natin sa internal cleansing program saka yung swim natin na program sa PNP. Hindi ito magiging success without the participations, the commitment, and the cooperations ng mga personnel, without the leadership of the supervisors or the superior officers over our subordinates. Let me share to you this quote did really struck me. A quote coming from Dr. Jose Rizal when he says that the life that is not consecrated to a great idea is useless. It is a rough piece of marble lost in the field without forming part of any edifice. With this quote, nakikita natin kung ano yung gaano kahalaga ang participations natin habang tayo ay nabubuhay, kung gaano kahalaga yung pakikitungo natin sa bawat isa, sa ating trabaho, sa pamilya, sa community, para maipatupad natin ang layunin at bisyon ng ating organization, lalo-lalo na sa ating Puong May Kapal. Sa lahat po ng ating life coaches, huwag po kayong ma-frustrate o mapagod sa inyong ginagawa sa ating kapulisan, kasi ito yung panunungkulan natin sa ating Puong May Kapal, ito yung commitment natin sa ating Puong May Kapal. Mind you, na yung ginagawa ninyo, even so hindi naman siya appreciated ng ilan, but in the eyes of God, malaki na yung nagawa ninyo. Patuloy lang tayo sa paggawa. Life coaches, iiwan ko lang to na mensahe sa inyo If you believe that you stand in the right direction or in the right path, even for the sake that you stand alone, you should stand alone. Para sa kaikabuti ng iyong objectives and cause for the glory of God. sa lahat ng ating personahe sa Philippine National Police, especially so sa hindi pa tumatangkilik, hindi naman common na dinajudge namin kasi meron tayong mga personal reasons. I believe so na yung trabaho natin sa ground is fully bombarded with compliances with the national headquarters. But mind you, ladies and gentlemen, in the police force, isa lang yung pinaka-importante sa buhay natin. Alamin at kilalanin ang ating Panginoon. Kasi yung pag-standby natin dito sa lupa, this is just only temporary. And what is eternal is our life in heaven. Muli, ito po si Police Lieutenant Colonel Jude Chris Jimelan, Chief Police Committee Affairs Development Unit ng Agusan del Sur Police Provincial Office. I am my brother's keeper.